One of the game changers in makeup is your eyebrow. It can elevate your look or it can just bring your look down. Hello lovelies, my name is Lucy Peters, and on today's edition of my tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to achieve these sweet eyebrows that you've seen. To start it up, you need your spoolie, your eyebrow gel, but if you don't have eyebrow gel, you are good to go. Just use your spoolie to brush up your eyebrow, and then you use a well sharpened, very sharpened, that is really pointy eye pencil, or if you like, you can use your eyebrow gel. If you're using eyebrow gel, then you need to use a very flat brush. When you're drawing your eyebrow, you need to start very close to your natural eyebrow so that you don't overdraw it. If your eyebrow is not too bold, please maintain the natural shape. Okay, when you're maintaining the natural shape, it will help you to achieve a shape that will give your makeup look a very seamless look. All right, so you draw your eyebrow using your natural eyebrow shape as your guideline. And when you're drawing, always have in mind that whatsoever you do under your eyebrow is what you will do on top of your eyebrow. Please use your natural eyebrow as a guideline. I have dropped a full tutorial on how you can achieve a seamless eyebrow from beginning to the end on this channel. I think I will tag it below this video when I will post it. But if you watch this one carefully, you will see what I'm doing, and that can be your guideline. Honestly, your eyebrow matters a whole lot. After drawing your eyebrow, please don't use the eyebrow gel or the eye pencil to start drawing block close to your nose. It will give this harsh ending feeling. But if you want to have a natural look, after drawing it, you can use your spoolie to brush it up to give it that natural feeling. Okay? Then you fill the other parts of your eyebrow. Afterwards, you can now use your concealer to clean up the under eye, to outline it properly so that it will come out very clean and nice, so that every other mistake that you made under the eye can be corrected immediately. Okay, you use your concealer and your flat brush, maybe your flat angle brush, or if you are not using flat, just use a flat brush. Then you clean the under eye. Remember, if you are going to do your eyeshadow, the concealer that you are using to clean your under eye can also serve as your eyeshadow base. Don't forget, if you are not my subscriber, try as much as you can to subscribe, which is free, and share to your friends, drop a good comment, and drop any other tutorial that you would like to see on this channel. And now this is the finished look of the eyebrow. Oh my god, oh my god, honestly, this elevated this makeup look. See you on the next one. Bye.